Hello, this is Professor O'Donoghue here. This next video is going to explain to you how to use Microsoft Teams because we will be using this to communicate quite often. It's a great software. So first of all, in order for you to get it, you would have to go over to the Chattahoochee Tech website, go to Me at CTC, and go to Microsoft Office 365. Okay, and read this, follow these steps, and this is how you can get your Office 365. Okay, once you get Office 365, you will be able to download a desktop version, and that's what you want to use, the desktop version. All right, so I've clicked on my desktop version. All right, so first of all, once you click on your desktop version and you go to Teams, you will see that there are a lot of different teams. The team you will be on will be the ECET tutoring team and whatever class that you happen to be registered for this semester. You'll also be a part of that team. Okay, so when it comes to getting tutoring, you're going to go to the ECET tutoring team. Okay, so you're going to click on the ECET tutoring team. And then they have channels. Right here we have 3 channels: general, FAQs, and online tutoring. So you would go to the online tutoring class. Okay, and if you notice right here, there is a tutoring session going on right now. It's with Cliff Westbrook. Okay, he's one of our tutors. So if you wanted to get tutoring, you could join his session simply by clicking join. All right, so then this is going to come up. It's going to ask you if you want to join. It's showing that my audio is connected. My computer doesn't have a webcam, so there is no webcam available. So I would click, and it's telling me that my audio is are these headphones that I'm on. So I would click join now, and then it's going to start connecting. Hey Cliff, so that's Cliff. I'm doing a video, Cliff. So you're in my video. So here's Cliff. All right. So where are you, Cliff? Oh wow. Oh, that's okay, I was like, what? Okay, so we're connected with Cliff, right? And if I wanted to share a screen with Cliff, what I would do is down here. Oh, what just happened? Down here, I'm making, yeah, I'm zooming. Right here, I would click share. Once I click share, these different windows that I have on my desktop appear, and I can decide which screen that I want to share with Cliff, okay? So say I wanted to share a PowerPoint with him, I would click on that screen. And then it should open my PowerPoint, and Cliff should be able to see my PowerPoint, okay? And right, so he can see my PowerPoint. Then when I'm done sharing, where's my window? Oh, here we go. It popped up just now. I can stop, right? So I click there and I can stop sharing. Even though that's weird. I had a little snafu and I accidentally left the tutoring session, so I could come back and rejoin. Okay, so now Cliff is back. I rejoined. Um, if I wanted to, before I was trying to show you how to stop sharing, and you would just click on the same little icon when you want to stop sharing. And then when you've done and you've gotten all the tutoring that you needed and you're ready to go, you say bye, Cliff, and you hang up. Now remember, if you're doing a lab check off, you're going to have to submit a Blackboard checkoff, and Cliff is also going to have to put into his own file that he checked you off, okay? All right, bye, Cliff. So now we hung up, we're leaving, and so we are back to where we started. Okay. Now, if you ever had any files that you needed to submit because they were too big for Blackboard, say like a presentation or something like that, you can always go into your class that I've added you to and you can add files there. So then if I needed to get a file for you or you needed to do a presentation, it would be here. So that's another great thing about Microsoft Teams. The other thing you need to know is when we have our meetings, when you schedule an appointment with me, it will also be through here. And what will happen is we'll go to calendar and say there's a meeting. So like right here, someone has a video appointment with Professor O'Donoghue. What I would do is click on that. I accepted it. I would click join. When you came to Teams, you would see that there was a video with me available to join, and that is how we will conduct our office hours. Okay, so this is how you use Microsoft Teams. It's a great product, and we will use it quite a bit, so get comfortable with it. So download it today. All right, take care.